Gotta fan it out, guys. We have to look like holistic habits over here with her voluminousness. Yeah, just crop it. We're good.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another video with the Sarah.
Oh, it's a little sweetie girl.
So I am Sarah Marie.
Which you better know by now.
And this is my sister-in-law, the most lovely, talented, funny sister-in-law in the world, Sarah Ashley, also known as True Mineral Earth and Sarah Ashley Art on Instagram. Go check her out. And today, what are we going to be doing, Sarah?
Hacking off your hair.
We are going to be giving myself a little hair makeover. So I am giving Sarah Ashley free reign of my hair. She's going to cut it for me and...
Like 20 inches? You said it was getting too heavy, so...
Yeah, no. She's going to cut it for me and style my hair.
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
Yeah. It's gonna be tons of fun.
Tons of hair.
With tons of hair. And yeah, we're gonna just do a little something to that.
Yes, are you nervous of me styling your hair?
No, of course not.
No?
I can just take it out if I don't like it. But yeah, we are gonna go ahead and jump into this video, and we hope you enjoy it. Sorry, I can't breathe. I'm stuck.
You're like Cousin It.
Oh, this looks kind of cool.
Whoa.
This is kind of cool.
I like that.
What?
What the heck?
Looks like
Do you need some more hairs? Oh, you're on my hair.
Look, it's like a lion's
Here you
mane.
go. All you see is hair. You don't even see your body. Where did she go?
Where did I go?
She's being suffocated by her hair. Wish me luck, because this is a lot.
Oh my god. Sarah. Look how cool this looks.
Right here, okay, back.
Come in here. My hair is like so matted now.
Yup. You
Yup.
already did your hair. You didn't know that? Oh my gosh.
Sarah, what happened? Hey guys, I'm going to quickly interrupt this video and give a big thank you to our lovely sponsor, Birch. Birch makes the most amazing, comfortable, organic, non-toxic mattresses. I love my Birch mattress so much. I've had it for a couple of years and I always recommend them to everybody. In fact, my sister-in-law Sarah and brother Simon also own a Birch mattress and they absolutely love it as well. Birch makes two models of their mattresses. They have the original Birch mattress and the Birch Luxe. And I currently have the Birch Luxe. It's just made with organic cashmere, New Zealand wool, North American steel springs, fair trade cotton, and natural latex. And all their mattresses are made in the USA. The natural, breathable materials will keep your body cool and comfortable at night, and the non-toxic latex helps to relieve pressure points, while the targeted zone lumbar support provides enhanced contouring. And probably the biggest reason I love sleeping on a Birch mattress so much is because they have many third-party certifications that do a lot of testing to ensure that the mattresses are completely free from things like formaldehyde, VOCs, heavy metals, pollutants, and more. Because you might not be aware that conventional foam mattresses off-gas these things, but their mattresses are made with natural latex instead of foam, so they're extremely safe for people with chemical sensitivities. And the mattresses are easy to order online. Birch will just ship your mattress straight to your door. It comes in a box and you just open it up, roll out the mattress, and it's ready to sleep on. Their mattresses come with a 25-year warranty and they have a 100-night sleep trial, so you can test your mattress out, make sure you're completely in love with it, and if you're not, you can return it for a full refund. So if you want to make the wise switch to a non-toxic mattress, you can click the link in my description box or go to birchliving.com/holistichabits to get $400 off plus 2 free pillows. But let's move on to the hair makeover.
Ready? I think so.
I'm your hairdresser.
So how much are you going to charge me for this haircut?
Well, being that your hair is this long, probably like $20,000. walk down the street and go to Supercuts.
Oh, but darling, baby doll, I'm the best of the best.
Okay.
I get my tips and lessons from Brad Mondo. Here, we gotta wrap you up here.
Okay.
You can go this way.
Okay.
It's like I've done this before, right? I don't think it's...
I think you wrapped me this way. I thought you were a professional hairdresser.
You know, I use YouTube as my professionalities. Oh, just made it weird. How am I gonna get up to the top of you? Squat.
Oh, like this.
So do you want it in the middle?
Get my booty workout.
Do you want it in the middle or do you want it on the side?
I think in the middle, yeah.
Okay, you squat.
Oh, it's so burning.
Actually, do you want to sit down first?
Oh, yeah.
let's see. Oh, it's not right. I mean,
Uh-oh.
we can fix it. See, this is why I leave them like that.
What? How bad is it?
This is a lot higher. But you said you wanted it to be higher, remember?
Yeah.
There is a difference.
Is it like it's a big lot difference?
If you need to fix it.
I'm scared.
But it's like fixable. You want
Is it? Is it? You promise it's fixable, Sarah?
Well, you're just gonna be shorter.
How short?
It'll probably end up being your 5 inches that you wanted.
What?
So we think it's Sarah's fault, not my fault.
Yeah, I think it's because I was rushing because the sun was setting.
Different sizes. Oh wait, was it the other side? It was the other side. Yeah, it's just this little chunk. Oh, a little bit more chunk right there. But now you got layers. That's not the side.
Yeah, that's what I was going for, Sarah. But
got
thank
them
you.
layers. So you can't even really tell right now.
I feel like
Then first you gotta turn to them to show them how confident you are right now.
I actually think even just doing that kind of helped.
Yeah.
Because now
I think
it
you
looks
should
more
stop
like...
cutting.
Okay.
I think it looks okay.
Just okay.
Well, because it is choppy a little bit, but
Yeah.
you always have your hair up or in a braid.
Yeah.
This is the price you pay doing the home stuff. The home cutting. But last time it was like so perfect, remember?
I know, it's because we weren't rushed.
It's like a makeup brush, guys. Look at that stuff.
I should have started applying my makeup with it.
Why do your neck look so long?
Why am I so much taller? And why is my neck so long? Hey, you guys, here the hair Furby is.
The chia pet.
Yeah. I give you the honors for your henna collection.
This is a lot of hair. I don't know how to thank you, my dear. But I just like kind of wearing it, you know? It's like just getting everywhere. I'm gonna find all this hair for days.
Simon's gonna be so mad.
You're like, what's for dinner? And I'm like, here you go.
This is your protein, honey.
This is keratin.
Yeah. Carnivore diet. He's coming. He's gonna see the hair and get angry on the counter.
Oh, your tan.
Really?
What the frick?
Oh, thanks. Thanks so much
I don't
for
know if you're
cleaning.
tan or burned. I can't tell.
We didn't clean for you, we cleaned for the subscribers. Simon, why is your arms like that?
I had to get a large because obviously my arms are out here. I'm not the typical skinny guy walking around like this. I need something that has a little flex to it, you know what I mean?
So, as you saw, Sarah Ashley cut my hair.
I hacked it off.
Well, I guess technically I cut it, but you... Yeah.
That's true.
So we cut my hair. But I ended up washing my hair and doing some deep conditioning. But I'm giving Sarah free reign, and she is going to give my hair a little makeover. She's going to style it.
I'm not really good at doing other people's hair, so this is going to be a challenge. Not just because of that, because of all of this. So I'm basically going to do the same hairstyles I have.
She's been getting really good at doing side French braids.
Yeah. So I don't even know how to start this. Okay, should I take a picture of this so you can see it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so you can see right here, it looks pretty darn good, you know?
Feels really good.
But then you start turning around here, and it's like, what the heck? Look at this, it's so weird. How does this happen?
Or doesn't it need to come around here? Because like on yours, it's that your thing is on the same side. Where this, you like brought it over the opposite side.
That's what happened.
All right, so now we are going to attempt this again. So we realized that Sarah braided from this side to that side.
And it meant to just stay on the same side.
Yeah, she went to go on this side. So a little hiccup, but
Yeah. I mean,
it's good, yeah.
Not a belching burp or anything, you know?
Yeah.
Just a hiccup.
Just a little hiccup. Nothing that we can't fix. Ooh.
Better.
Yeah.
And then actually, we gotta make it look really cute here. Gotta do this guy.
Little silk scrunchie. Ooh, gorgeous.
So this is what we have right here. This big old thick braid. And so it looks really good there. Here is pretty nice, I think. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. But this part looks a little bit loose. But then come here and got like a little bit of a gap. But we have a band-aid. That's what I call bobby pins, like little band-aids to make everything work. Actually looks really cool. I'm pretty impressed by this. I feel like I got mine a lot more tighter right here.
Yeah, yours looks really good.
Thank you. But it's also, you have a lot of hair.
Yeah. You got the hair.
I really want to take a nap out here. He looks so tiny on it. You have to get on the other side. It's because I'm heavier than you.
I'm gonna put the blueberries over here.
Oh, there we go. I can't even open my eyes because of the sun.
This is not any illusion. Like, literally, this is normal hair. And this is that thick shit. See, I got the rat tail, and she has, what would you call this? This big old thing.
Horsetail.
Oh yeah, horsetail and rat have both animals. Oh, you should show them. You should show them how you can make your hair into a scarf.
Oh yeah. This is how I protect my hair from the sun when we're out. I just cover my neck with it.
Sun protection. I might cut off.
Oh god.
I'll go down.
I can't even see what I'm filming because the sun is so bright in my eyes.
This is fun. A little relaxation. I
Yeah.
think Sarah's gonna fall asleep.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we are going to go eat some more blueberries and drink some more water.
Your eyes are all closed.
I just can't open them. I have very sensitive eyes.
Because you have blue eyes. I have brown eyes, so
Look
I
how
can
good
handle-
Sarah did her makeup.
thank you.
I love the cat eye. Okay, bye! And then Sarah is going to also style my hair. So she's going to give me... What?
You started talking so funny.
What?
You just started having like a New York accent. I swear.
No, I did not.
You kind of like turned into New York. It's all these damn moves. We're gonna go in Brooklyn on us. Please, can you listen to it?
Okay, let's listen to it. Should we film like this?
I think it looks really stupid.
Sarah, this is our art.
It looks like we're aliens and this is our antennas.
There.